GE and Whirlpool washing machines are now offering a convenient-sounding feature. It's a pre-treat option, so you can tackle stains right at the washing machine instead of a sink. Consumer Reports took a look at the $720 GE and the $750 Whirlpool. We also ran both machines through our regular cleaning performance tests. It's not a new idea. Samsung also has the active wash machine with a built-in sink. With the GE, you set the dial to the water station cycle, choose your water temperature, and then get to work on stain fighting. There's also an option that allows the machine to mix the water with liquid detergent from the dispenser, so you don't have to. The Whirlpool's pre-treat is a bit more basic. Just press a button inside the washer's drum to dispense water for pre-treating. We liked the added convenience factor, so we're hoping to see this feature on more brands. But both of these machines were kind of noisy and only mediocre when cleaning our stain swatches. So for now, if you want excellent cleaning performance, you'll have to get it on a machine without a pre-treat station. If you're looking for an HE top loader, this LG holds the top spot. However, our tests find front loaders clean best, so consider this front-loading Maytag for excellent washing performance. For more ratings on top loaders, HE top loaders, and front loaders, subscribe to consumerreports.org.